Good afternoon, Facebook Live. It's Robert Weichelt and my bride, Carla. It's called Bring Your Wife to Work Day. So I drug her to an open house, a beautiful Neil Libin open house.
Always a beautiful.
Talk to me about the remodel. You like it?
It's amazing as always.
3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,082 square feet. The home was built in 1959, but there's nothing in 1959 left.
No.
It's all gone.
It never is with Neil's home.
Well, Neil does a good job. I mean, electrical, plumbing. It comes with solar.
Bluetooth.
That can face Bluetooth technology in the master bedroom or in the bathroom. I mean, the shower is huge. Mm-hmm. The shower is always good.
Kitchen is huge.
The backsplash, room for an island.
Yep.
So that's cool. But it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,082 square feet. Beautiful remodel here in San Carlos. New roof, new floors, new doors, new hardware, new kitchen, the quartz counters, stainless steel appliances. I mean, it's just got everything. Side by side, water and ice, door fridge. And this place is amazing.
And a she shed.
And it's got a she shed. Should we burn it down?
No.
Well, you know, if you burn down a she shed, you get a sheer shed.
What?
What's that commercial say? You
No,
know, the she
get
shed.
hot firemen that come. That's what you get.
Oh, come on. Hot fireman, huh? It's got European cabinets.
That's the commercial.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think.
2-car garage. We can see Coles Mountain, really. It's Coles, whatever. Tomato.
Cows to me.
Cows to you, okay. Coles Mountain's this way, which is north. And then you have Mount Helix, where you can see the cross, to our south. You also see San Miguel Mountain. It's a great place. It's got a nice big driveway. Great little family neighborhood.
Yep.
It's nice.
Close to shopping.
Lots of shopping. You can walk to the stores and to Pioneer Barbecue, which is right up the street, which I think I'm going to try to do everything I can to convince you to go there after this open house.
Okay.
What do you say? Are you in?
Sure.
Okay. Well, good. So anyway, we're here at a Neil Libin remodel. Again, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. You got to come by and check it out. We'll be here Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4. And again, it's Bring Your Wife to Work Day, so I got my wife with me, and we're here at work. We're working at an open house.
Great.
Yeah. So what else do you want to say? You just want to talk about real estate? She's like, I'm not going on live.
Yeah, I did my best to not be.
Yeah.
There, hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Say hi. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Oh, that's great.
I'm doing an open house with Neil's listing because he does some amazing work in here. And
you know what?
You would never be missing out on anything if you bought one of his homes.
3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,082 square feet. List price. Guess what the list price is? Did they say it? Did they say anything? $699,950. Actually, really good. That's $646 a square foot, which that's really reasonable for a turnkey. Like you mentioned, you move in, you just bring your furniture, turn it in, done. It is a beautiful remodel. 2-car garage, nice landscaping. It's just a great, great place in San Carlos. It's in the Lake Streets, so Lake Murray's not too far.
No. One of my favorite things he does is he makes sure that the kitchen is the focus of the house, where you want to be in the kitchen, and there's room for parties, there's room to cook, there's room for
an island.
There's room
we
for
talked
an
about the island, yeah. We'd have a nice island, but we'd do it on wheels, so you can kind of come and go. You can do your thing. You can put it out of the way when you want to break dance.
Yeah.
You know, you got some room for activities.
He maximizes the best of every house.
Yeah. So come on by. We'll be here Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4. Beautiful remodel, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,082 square feet. My opinion, just my opinion, I would turn that second bedroom, this other guest room, I'd blow that wall out, bring it on this way and kind of an indoor-outdoor, and I'd put a pool back here. Can we do that? I
probably would do the same.
You would do the same too? Okay,
you
good.
buying? Then yes.
Yeah. Why not? So you better hurry before I have to buy this place. So anyway, we're here to sell you a nice home. So if you know anyone looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, we appreciate your call. Refer us. That would be great.
I'm here till 4.
Yeah, we're here Saturday and Sunday. 1 to 4. And reach out to us. We've got a beautiful remodel here, and we'll go from there.